Part 7. Part 7, guys. So part 7 will be chords. Chords. Okay. Chords ni is one of the most important things. Alright. And antara benda yang paling susah sekali. Kenapa paling susah? Sebab saya sendiri mempelajarinya selama 6 bulan baru pandai. 6 bulan baru pandai. Student saya sebulan dah pandai, 2 minggu dah pandai. So I am a very terrible guitar player. Lepas tu baru pandai. So yep, chords memang susah. So you gotta practice like crazy, right? So macam mana nak main chords? What are chords? Secara general, chords are basically, when you look into the scale in musical terms, we have the alphabet from A to G and then repeat balik A. So it's going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Tak ada H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then back to A. And the scale goes on the same way. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's it. Okay. So a chord is basically a combination of, kan cakap note tadi, katalah we're playing the A chord right over here, right? That's an A chord. A chord would mean that you take the scale just now, and you take the first, the third, and the fifth note, which is A, C, and E, combine it together, press those notes together, and you get your chord, the major chord. Minor chord tu nanti lah, but let's not go to the specifics lah. Chords bagi I, to make it simple, because we're playing the shortcuts anyways. So, shortcut ni simple je. You kena belajar baca chord. Macam mana nak belajar baca chord, it's going to be on a separate video, but this is more on macam mana nak place your chords. Just the basic chords. Later on, you can refer to my book, tengok semua macam mana nak baca, nak belajar semua tu. I'll show you how later. But now, it's just macam mana nak tekan chord ni. How do you practice your chords? If you know where to place it, macam mana nak tekan kuat lah, whatever. Okay? So, we'll do the first chord, which is C. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, this is a C. Alright? Based on what I will show you, macam mana nak baca. So, knowing that you already know macam mana nak tekan, which is this, this, and this, for a C chord. Now, the first main thing about chords, you kena make sure your chords bunyi sebunyi-bunyinya. You have to sound clear. That's the most important thing. Kalau I tak pegang clear, tengok ni. See, like, what is that, right? Like, as a guitar player, that's very embarrassing. Macam asal tak bunyi apa? Mulalah nak blame gitar tu murah lah, mulalah macam whatever lah your excuses are, but most importantly, you kena tekan memang gila-gila, especially when you're starting to learn. You gotta press really, really hard. Okay, and how do you practice this? This is the first thing. Placement is going to be on a separate video. So watch that together lah. And this one, as simple as, your first practice is to just take whatever finger you want. I'll just use the pointing finger. You put your chord, dah tekan. Okay, this is the C. Okay, so you're going to pluck from bottom to top. Make sure semua string berbunyi. Clear, tak ada kacau. And just keep on going, alright? You can pluck about 4 times maybe. 1, 2, 3, and 4, clear. Second naik. 1, 2, 3, and 4, clear. Naik. 1, 2, 3, 4, clear. Naik. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the top here. And then, use one final strum. That's a clear chord. And that's what you want. That's what you need when you're playing your guitar and you're playing your chords. Ingat. Clear. Nampak? Tak ada bunyi bzz semua tu. Bila you pluck tiba-tiba macam ni, you pluck bawah sekali ni tak tekan. The bottom part you don't press. But tiba-tiba tak bunyi lah. Tak bunyi lah, Afif. Macam mana? That means, kalau tak bunyi, this finger over here tengah rest on that on your fret. Resting. When your finger rest kat situ, habis. So how to overcome this problem? You naikkan sikit, adjust sikit angle, make sure there's room to breathe lah. So you pluck situ, dia clear. And you can feel the feedback on your left hand juga, sebab dia akan rasa macam geli-geli sikit. Macam, asal. Then you'll know what the problem is. The feedback is just there. So you make some room and you can pluck it clearly. And if macam the places yang you tekan bunyi, sepatutnya bunyi tapi tak bunyi kan, that means you tak tekan cukup kuat. Also another tip, when you're pressing your frets here, you want to press somewhere dekat tengah the fret or dekat sikit dengan besi tu, but not on the besi and not on the other side. Tengah or near to the metal. That's where you want to place your fingers. Okay, make room, pluck each and every one, and you'll get it. Okay, that's on your chords. Okay, so as you can see in the book, there are maybe about 8 chords that you have to know. These are the common chords that there is, right? It'll teach you how to read those chords, but right now it's just getting to place your chords right. Okay, place your chords right. Tu je, penting, sangat-sangat penting. And okay, that's on placement. And the reading of the chord tu on the other video, watch that as well, and then tengok balik ke this video. So once you know how to place your chords and how to read your chords just read. It's just a diagram. You can search it online, tengok macam mana chord tu bentuk, dia akan tunjuk kat mana, and you know how to press it, and just press it well, and you should be fine. So right now, so apa yang susah sangat chord ni? Okay, I dah tekan, I dah tahu kenapa nak sampai 6 bulan belajar chord. The tough part of a chord is not to make it clear, it's also nak buat penukaran chord, because you tak main satu chord sampai kiamat. You main chord, bertukar-tukar chord. Okay, like this. Tukar chord, tukar chord, tukar chord. Tapi Afif, macam susah je. Buat-buat tak boleh pun. Exactly. Susah, betul susah. But on top of all yang I dah ajar, ada cara yang sangat mudah. Which is, okay, let's say kita ambil chord yang macam dalam buku tu, which is C and A minor. C dengan A minor kat sini. C dengan A minor, kata kalau ikut sebiji lah cara you nak ubah adalah bagi I, sesimple dia adalah, you take this chord, let's say we're doing C now. Macam mana nak tukar kepada A? Kalau dah melangkah A, macam C, A minor macam quite easy lah. Let's take something else. Let's say F and G. F. And then this is G. Nampak ni? Tiba-tiba daripada sini naik macam ni pula. Like what the hell? Susah gila. Betul, susah. So how do you do it? Tengok F ni, I buat macam ni, I dah tekan. Right. 3 simple steps. SOP ni. Follow these 3 simple steps. You buat F. And you nak tukar kan? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Nak tukar laju is simply first, tarik. So you tarik. Tarik jari you. Number 2, you tukar. In your head, you have to know how the chord looks like. So G macam tu kan. Macam ni lah. So macam saya cakap tadi, tarik, tukar, siap-siap. Number 3 is land the chord. You dah tarik, you pusing, change the shape, and then you land it terus. Pam. Strum. Okay. F. Tarik, pusing, tekan. F. Tarik, pusing, tekan. One more time. F ni. Tarik, pusing, tekan. That's it. Common problem, orang buat macam ni, nak tukar G, ambil satu jari, ambil satu jari, ambil satu jari, baru tekan and strum. You buat macam tu, we call it crawling lah. I would personally call it crawling, and crawling sangat susah. You can never get your chords right. You can never tukar laju-laju. Yang aku tukar laju memang macam tu je. Tarik, tukar, tarik, pusing, tukar. F, tarik, pusing, tekan. That's it. Okay, so that's how you want to play your chords. Macam tu je. Alright, mudah, of course mudah. Alright, oh one more thing. Chords, ada 2 So we have the normal open chords. We call this open chords. Open chords ni, basically it's here. It's just the range of the first until the 3rd fret. Paling naik sikit lah 4, tapi I think it's just first and third je. First sampai third ni, open chords memang kat sini je. And it's open, meaning you memang guna 3 jari untuk tekan everything. That's it. Okay, so that's your open chords. We will go into bar chords afterwards. Alright, so stay tuned. Now you watch part 8 and then tengok balik 7. Try to relate how you want to read your chords. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.